Well, last night we had a really major windstorm, and we got trees all over the place just covered down. And you always think, hey, it happens to somebody else, but this time around it struck pretty close to home. And right there's my bedroom window. How I did not hear this when it went down is beyond me. My dog ended up hearing it and waking me up. We got a couple of broken pipes. I don't know what they went to, but there's one. One was a water pipe, and I think that one's a sewer pipe. And there's more of the sewer pipe. And yet another tree down in our neighborhood. Well, not quite down, but I think the only thing holding it up is the power lines. No wonder our power's not back up yet.